This video presents an example of the square root property, which states that if a variable squared is set equivalent to a constant, then we can invoke the property to write that the variable has the value of positive or negative square roots of that constant. So let's take a look at this example with fractions in it. We see that our base being raised to our exponent is w plus 2/3, and we have just a constant on the other side. So we can invoke the square root property here right from the beginning. We don't have to isolate anything further to write that the base w plus 2/3 is equivalent to plus or minus the square root of 2/9. And then we can subtract 2/3 on both sides to get that w isolated is equivalent to negative 2/3 plus or minus the square root of 2/9. But the square root of 2/9, by the rules of radical manipulation, is the same thing as the square root of 2 over the square root of 9, and that's the same thing as root 2/3. So what we really end up with then is w is equivalent to negative 2/3 plus or minus the square root of 2/3, and we can write that finally as the solution sets for w are negative 2 plus root 2/3 and negative 2 minus root 2/3.